The talk say not the ass, not the talk say na family, una the talk say na this one, una the talk say na this one. Which one we wan follow? The person wey get the matter na him go talk say see wetin dey face o. How far na make you come up? I dey see you.
Currency, the people know where the guy they stay. The people where they go.
They go there now. Any moment for now, we go there from her.
Okay.
Any moment for now.
I been a malga.
I do.
Half a blood.
I do.
I do.
Now the matter we still do, we dey find justice.
How far malga? See, for your own part, your stock and your bill, all those kind of stuff. Shady get me. Now me billions they talk. You know understand? See me, everybody else still know because this one where they accuse because all of them they are together. Me, I know they support party, but all I want make this boy you're the okay.
See, bro, me, I not to get many this one also. Don't yak put our talomagoma. See, that guy, so when they talk about, so, my guy, if I don't like 25 people, say for like 8 to 9 months. Now, since February 2nd, now I be February video when you post now February. Now we are at reach. Now our two are at reach. Now we see each other reach. So around April now post say I'm no longer. Wait, I wish I feel wait first. Whether I go feel I dey come and put up for my friend this screen. So when I not
put up on this screen.
I don't know whether I go show the date. Okay, if you see the date, you will see I say 2nd of February. This is the last video we made together. You will see I say that 2nd of February that day.
You not sure, we not see the part, we not see the date.
It's there under my
your name.
My name there.
You know what you do,
Yes.
Screenshot and make you crop on.
Okay, my crop, I call my crop again. I crop.
Wow.
This one comes so called talk so na bati.
That one there, not the
wait, I dey come. Una dey comment section. They talk anyhow.
He blend for a year. This
come at Okotor so billions. They say billions. They would support the Okubo ourselves because they decide.
As a
come outside Okotor so billions.
No, me tell them.
You not see crop well.
Me tell her make it come up.
Say me
support Okubo.
You see the toss yesterday, yeah. But why that's because that's why I made that one come.
Made that one come outside.
Why that one not come up? Wait, no way till they do.
You don't like mother say me no come out. I have an
Currency.
Because they say that one I be
Currency, I want to ask question. Currency, I want to ask question. Yesterday, and now me come and say, I know where this boy did.
Yes.
Say I see him.
Look at if you see you see on 2nd of February.
Yeah.
2nd of February. Now we do that's this last post when they post so now we ask it reach. Okay, make I show you the one where we say for post say I'm not did the crew again. No, I'm no longer a member of this crew. I recall everything in my phone. I screenshot her. I screenshot her down. Even the videos where wait. Okay, see this one wait. You see this one on 14th of March. Now post this picture. Say this is to inform the general public that I, Eda Solo Okagbe, is no longer a co-founder or a member of Okubowa community based on reasons which will be let know in my next post. I hope I get your support as I embark on this journey as an individual artist. Thanks for always supporting and believing in my craft. This one 14th of March. That is we made last video February till now. I never see them for her. I never see her for her. And this time so we never stay together again. Last year now we stay together around March last year. Everybody go their own. There are three of us that they stay before, 4 of us that they stay before. So I said, no, they come out. Only me one come with a team of us to stay for the sales. The sales. So as some kind of quarrel goes, there are two pack leaving for us. Then later, only one of you defend for the 3-bedroom flat one carry. So I can't need to come out. I can't need to come out because some guys can't wait.
So, Alpha bro, I been obvious. You fit tell us why you come out? Because why I ask this question? If you be say wait, if you be say na their issue for take on.
Baba, I tell you, the time when I come out, I can't live video. I made the day when I made this post, so the next day I go live video for TikTok. I talk everything will happen between us, how we take quarrel, all the stuff, everything will happen. So we come on. Everybody go their own way, everybody settle. They start to do their own skits. I go offline, disable my TikTok account. I disable my account. I don't even call it do skits. I just go relax for one side, I just do my own. They live my own life, they go. See, I can't get phone, I feel no so I finish until they shoot. Then I can't come back to shooting again. So all those moss, everything, I don't know what they happen. If I tell them yesterday, I can't go know the house. Now even one my guy would follow us to shoot, I carry no the house yesterday when I stand and go out. I don't know the house. They don't know where they stay. We don't know where they stay. So all they are two now they stay together. So I don't really know anything. See what they happen, so what they happen. I just come outside there because of the kind of video we make. Say there was a certain time one quarrel. Say I send them debt. Me send you debt. Why go send you debt? Because I was to do craft. The thing not can work. I can't send you debt. Can't kill you. Me whenever see monitor shop finish now, I can't carry your name. The other video we make because of say my person now they carry my face. Can't be disturb. Say no. So now if I don't know how they put the language, man, I go talk. What it does say because I've been using all that. The one I want to talk for the 5 for inside now. So say that my face. Say he can't tell and say he be not dey fight this guy again, which means you are the one fighting me. I never fight you. I never carry your name go anywhere once. So I just see reason I say, I be no one able talk for the matter, but your reason I say okay, they don't mention my name. I not sleep for that way until they call me now. I need to put my phone for DND. When they call me, so I confess okay fine. I go come and say I talk. Me and this guy for past 8 months or 9 months, we never see each other. We never since February. Now we see each other last February. We never see again. Since this year, that is February this year, we dey October now. Me and you never see again. We never dey in contact. Even my WhatsApp number when they get. I know they use, I know they come online for the phone. Now last month, now the talkative voice I called me to even write me say, Alpha, send me your new WhatsApp number. I open the message today. I not reply. I'm not replying to today. He did there.
Okay.
So
currency, they understand till they talk.
You understand that? This guy self never get issue.
Come currency. Wait. They say bird cry for nothing. They break, pick down, and they ask to buy the picking. Wait, may I explain where, bro? You explain about clear. Okay, but you never clear.
Wait, bro, sir. Bro, more just say the truth. See, this.
No, this
boy is talking. You know, clear. Bro, ask her also. Say, where thing happen? Where you come out? You know.
Explain. That maybe they ask say.
You talk another thing. They talk go this side. They talk go this side. Bros, explain to us what thing happen. When you come out.
Give the reason. See what
the reason. What make you feel come out?
Baba, what make me come out? Listen to me. Listen.
You know why he don't talk herself, right? Even for a platform, he doesn't talk her. He don't explain tire.
Wait, no currency, not be everybody.
See, I feel choose to answer. I feel not choose to answer. I feel drop. I feel choose to answer. I feel not they ask me questions. I say they ask you. You know what question.
But I was about to what you know, eh?
Carry go anywhere you want carry go.
Nice, wait. Nice, muja. Alpha bro, eh? Talk with you really happen.
See, I don't tell you. I don't tell you. I don't get into our talk with you.
I was so bad. I was my brother. We are telling I tell me life and death to be water or
now they tell you so. Now what in my mouth? Now you define.
No be what you say your mind. You make us.
Baba, see,
As in explain what I mean clear well. We just talk. You dey.
Not me what
Nas, nah, you wait, me fair talk. Nas, wait, talk.
Not me what you say before this thing. See, I come and say I can't talk, say because I come and say I can't talk. If I say keep quiet, sir, other people not keep quiet. I mean, no people wait.
To mona respect her for that one. Only that why to mona respect her for that.
Nobody fit come out, but he come out.
Some person he don't explain tire. Yes, they explain. For a plan for he explain. Say see why he come out. Now make am. You know,
Baba, this body explain, no evidence. Evidence, not the show.
Oga, okay, the picture when we dey post for years since. The picture when we dey post for years since. He even do me say that people like when I go to comment for a post on our eyes.
Baba, I'm on Ziba. I did tie your turn for them. You know who you call? I can tie your turn. If I go talk at that, say I know they do this that, but what you want to do, go do a later. But forget that thing. All those one not so say, but
okay, Baba, see, I tell you, listen to me. But I tell you, anywhere you say you want to carry the matter, go carry and go.
I was somebody, I know my brother. I tell them I was somebody.
Make you carry and go.
Because that guy, me I still love that guy. I actually say I really only my brother.
Make you carry and go.
May you wait first. Let this guy talk. He go talk.
See, I don't get any power because they explain many things again.
I know, Alpha, bro. Alpha, you dey hear me, Maga? I see, everybody not there. Everybody not there that laugh.
Who walk and come back? Now be this Sakpilo. Sakpilo. Now this one, this boy so.
Alpha, my guy. Everybody did this life. I dey call correct say everybody did this life. Just talk your own part. Says see what happen. Why you come out? More listening, more know where matter for the call.
Yeah, if na issue of the money issue now, just play on.
I beg, no understand. So more know where matter for the call. Not the one who call the shot here.
But even the issue of the money or anything, when the first quarter call, we settle the matter between ourselves. Everybody rest. Everybody go their own way. We all go.
Because I don't know talk so.
See, even if say no, I can't enter my phone. I can't enter my phone. Even if say I want to talk anything.
Mama, wait, talk what you dey mind first. Now talk 1 minute. Wait, talk what you dey mind.
Now they talk so say this explanation when they ask me so. If you reach my own turn, if you reach time I want to come outside, talk everything, we make us break up. I go open my own live stream, my own platform. We go talk. You dey see so I go talk everything. Before I don't come outside for live stream before that same man show. Talk everything we have to say. See the reason why we not do together, girl. Because most of them for here.
Alpha, bro. Share one of una fair girl show that time.
One no. See, we before. When we open this Okumbawa skit so now Lagos issue prefer happen for Lagos. That one can't come out. That one need to come go as the next day safe. If from Lagos only want to drive come us. She called me that 3 of us. 3 of us, so 4 of us will stay for the same. We carry the same house before. The same so when that guy come, we call me that 3 of us for the same house.
Drive come house, I beg, bros. Who drive come house? No verse.
That is a no give for instance. She come from the only one come from Lagos drive come house because they tell her now this guy so they tell her make they go house. Say you don't need that for the
this
team.
One.
Yeah, he say no need that for the team again. Say they go house. So no one Gama the quarrel. Things they saw with the tension that was. So what even cause for never reach for us to rule say okay, maybe the guy they go house stuff like that. So the guy can't go house. Go as the next day. So we still continue to ask the skit on the heart. That was the time when I'm not going to see a no give for our skit again. Because we only 3 of us when we got the show for the skit. So there was certain time we wish so this called the setting see happen between me and them again. I can't see it to promote because the economy already are 2. So there are 2 they do the thing they come since then. You know, if you tell me say you know they watch the skit since then say for more than a year or say you know they see me for the skit. You know they see me for the skit. So you not gonna ask me say why you not do the skit. Now what's what they call put on one now things they go on now. And I call the 5 person who walk on the talk. Now how you dey 5 for inside the way you say the talk say what can I go and host for back. But anyway, what can I go? I'm not getting into I want to explain for you again, guy.
Share una the year like una the year I bet anybody who wants a question me stay outside.
What me get to talk? Billions, what me get to talk on this matter? Sometimes who they hide the key person, you go to the final, you know we'll see. You don't understand. See, before my own mindset, now this talkative, now me they point all fingers to. But as time come dey goes, when we come dey hear different issue, you can't get to know saying sometimes not be who you the suspect, not be the prime suspect. You don't understand. Just like Okagbe talk yours now, they come now. Okagbe explain yours now. He say na no gain effect comot. You understand? When they location, before they want to do the same thing to him, he can still come on, bro. Don't surprise, not be who you're the suspect, not be you're the run this matter.
Not be the one.
You don't understand? So because they say if you never hear from person, no fit the job before me when me first come this life, I first to say Okagbe na the prime suspect. But last I thought they see truth inside this matter. If now use wisdom, take calculate this thing, they no get need to still fall out.
You say that's a request.
They no get need to fall out.
I tell you, not the followers the good things against is 2020. 2020, not the followers.
I write up for comment section.
I've been about last year, early last year, early last year now. You know the followers the good things again. Like you go now, music analysis you can't do. Like person where they invite for you to music. That's the only thing they do. You know the followers they do.
Okay, remember when you do live 2 days ago? I did your life. Everything when you talk, I did there. Even when talkative come they insult you and all the girl issue, I did there. I still record everything. See, if that girl harmony, how fit they reach that girl harmony? That girl harmony, you get a lot to talk. I don't wanna wait because I listened from the beginning and the ending of your life. All the statement when harmony quote, it shows say harmony know the in and out of this our guy so Presta.
I tell you, you go know, I tell you, you go know the in and out of everything because you dey stay with them most times.
Yes, now nothing the guys he talk.
Even
how fit they reach harmony, bros? I beg. You need to see help us on this matter.
Alpha, bro, that harmony. She name what's the name? What na Naomi? I been na.
No, na harmony something. Na harmony something. Because that girl know many things, so bro. That girl know many things. I watched their life that day. That girl know many things.
Not be that yellow girl where they stay for Sapler Road.
I don't know whether that's something.
Let's go. If you don't hear, now you send request. Write and say up me.
Na school she did school. So she dey mostly they stay with them for her sometimes.
Na Sapler Road, na she. I don't see her that day say she dey but I don't know her to say
for her sometimes. So as everybody share Gary, say everybody go their own. Even the day we share Gary self, na see play everybody else do am. When they even come record that strength for us, we gotta carry everything. Everybody go there. When I see even that place, we even settle for that place. The landlord, the caretaker will get the house. The man still there alive. And you go testify that everything will happen. You will settle everything for that place. So you never need to the quarrel. You never really make any money for this thing what they do. So no need for us to the quarrel. So we're gonna go to if anybody wants to, you can call anybody to watch it for you. So I just feel gonna go more. Life goes on. Life goes on. You don't need to put anything for man. So we settle the matter. So along the line, say we see they shoot together. The same transparency will not be the first time. Like waiting your friend they do, they say they do one. You have no option that just do your name there. No need to force yourself for where they don't want you. So you come on yourself for them. That was how I left, and I never even called them one day after or anything.
Bro, who be the team leader when the fourth now start that thing?
See, the team is say everybody now now everybody now issues brand on his own.
Okay.
No. Bros, not best. The question when you ask, say, who started it?
Who be the team leader? Who they lead now? The fourth. Who
Yeah.
they lead?
Nobody they lead any of us.
Now they problem dey.
No, not their problem.
I tell you, three of us. Now maybe the first person was having to work under our former boss, Otipiko. Before they come, talkative, they carry talkative because he can't record us. Meanwhile, we don't know each other for area, for streets, for the same upper. So we definitely shoot together before. So me come go to say I go the fellow thing to the shoot. Because at the location one day, I can say they bring talkative come. Now me even call record. So along the line, I don't know waiting at Twinkle come there. Twinkle come like the guy. Come carry go here. So come go to stay for Twinkle house. They never reach a month. They come carry press and follow body come. So they call they because the two of them come see day Twinkle house that time. So me I don't sign contract with Twinkle. I don't have contract. So I don't stay house. So now when you get contract with them, if you stay or the one we like to stay with them will stay. You see also. So everybody just go do like that. till psychiatrist must play with their
Marga, not vessel, apart from anything, like when you fed, we all of them fed it together, any issue, say money aspect, econ.
Yeah, that was the first time with that first money when they give us money back camera.
When they take back camera, who's press the account the money go?
Now me drop press account. Yes, let me drop press account because that day so now even this guy God day. Now God day we dey shoot that day phone come full. So God dey ask us say why would they use phone to dey shoot? Why would not they use camera? All of them keep quiet. I don't need to voice out that bros, not reason I say we dey trend though. None of our social media account don't pay us. So now small thing now we see the get now from our guys have that. Now can okay, how much for camera? Now can I say 2 million, 1.5. You day. Now can I say okay, even you give us 1 million, no. Now can I say now play, we start talking. Now can I say okay, make up use that drop account number. Whether you know use that send the money. Now take collect press account number, I can't give her. Now you can send the money on that press account number. So now when we want to do job, now that camera take bring should come because they break 3 of us that are dealers. Una 2 come out, una go video camera, so una don't back camera. Meanwhile, una not back. So when we want to do job, the call right say we go rent camera, and you tell us say you don't back camera. So I don't think so bring some issue come out and say, "Alpha, where the camera or where the money?" Now not bring money come out and say, "Camera not buy." So person want do big job now, want do full job now. Say person possible to rent camera, and they give us money say we take that camera. So issue come there for the many talk on the even as me and person they argue that they say this other guy say not talk one word. He just quiet they look us. He just quiet they look us as me and the guy they even they get that argument. He just quiet they look. I even ask and say, are you not done anything you want to talk for this matter? You not even answer me. Now when I tell her say guy, the way they see you be bad person, but that place is the want to spark. He can't go inside, he can't come back again, not come talk. Because he sit down delete. I say all this every time I say more.
My people, see, sometimes, see, with the way Okagbedo to explain so far, I know they take side, though, I know insult me.
But you don't pick 1 or 2.
Press star, feel be say, then be the root, then be the cause of your own problem. One side. You understand? If it because sometimes some kind of mistake we ourselves they make for life, if you later come they haunt us, but come they give on that person. Say now wish the warriors, now face the warriors. But nevertheless, we still they go deep, we still know the root of the whole matter.
They say where the money for camera can go. I don't know where the money for camera go. I don't know what they take out to do, but to date, even when the matter come boss, you think of course quarrel. Now even to say more share body, everybody go there. Say I be future for the team. Say I not be co-founder. Say they feature me for the skit. So I feel like this, so more share body. So I don't see follow the argument. Okay, no problem.
What did they hear me?
I hear you, bros.
You see this this person so where they tell us something. You get one certain time. I call it see only one. I call it do it live. Share the get. Me not call it see people there. Why I call tell her say make you come up, call talk. Make call talk in your part. Share the get. Say see what they happen. All of them must still come. One by one. After I heard my guy, all those people where all of them they gather their heart. You feel call one of their come, may still come up.
I don't know say I don't know the person which person will come up for yourself, but I'm not sure say they will come.
Now only this boy we need. We don't know that person. Now this one they gotta day us together. Now this
bros, if we now wait to make this Okumba himself, make it come up, come talk, bro, we'll wait for eternity. See, I watched Okagbe life, go my profile. You see, I record the way that guy was so aggressive. Even they insult this Okagbe, say why he can't matter on social media. Why he not can't on social media? Yes, no, now Okagbe, yes, now I screen record Okagbe life.
My phone off.
Is that your page, Abi?
Yes, now they my page. I screen record Okagbe. The guy was so aggressive, which is this year Okumba was so. I know they say that they caused the problem, but I already annoyed for him based on the way it react on the issue 2 days ago. You don't understand, so bro. Because sometimes Bini say now who do something, everybody the paper pass. Because the guy was so even when they insult Harmony, they insult the Okagbe that day, they even quarrel for the matter. I screen record that now.
But how long ago?
You don't understand, so bro.
So
He
if
say
they happy, say
matano.
guy not dey okay. In they happy.
No, what you Okungwa they try to talk, we say in the first solution to the problem, but you no one carry people along. Nothing the guy talk for the life. Okagbe dey there, Okagbe dey here now. Nothing the guy talk, but they say the first solution. Why no one carry everybody along?
He say what kind of come last one? Say whether me know wetin they do or that.
You understand? So
What thing they do on that?
I just tired. What you dey do that?
What thing they do for underground?
Now come tell us say, now come tell us say,
the loser.
Man, that's not baba.
I dey call. Now come tell us say, I don't know wetin they do or that.
Hey, it's a bonnet bros. Yeah, man, no, the problem.
Yes, no cause anybody, no point fingers, no point fingers to
I want
anybody.
to affect on say more than never point finger, sha. Make it come. They can't talk you.
It is so as everybody go their own way. Like I told you, I go rent house.
I greet you now. See, I beg, I want to put light for which one I will talk. I beg, may you just allow me talk, so I want to try put light for as soon as they talk. You see this thing when I talk, so this guy, I don't know and I know they accuse him for anything, and I know they accuse anybody where be friend.
I be disappointed in our team. I just tell una guy.
I beg, wait.
I don't call. Wait, I don't cash out. Talkative. Oh, what be you are?
Wait, pull volume more here now.
You message me for WhatsApp, okay?
Mona, wait.
Pull volume, bros, more, yeah, pull volume.
I don't like una. I swear to God, I did disappointed in our team. I just tell una guy. I get disappointed on una too. Mostly you are money. I don't message you for WhatsApp. I don't know what you have to your WhatsApp. I don't know. I don't message you for WhatsApp.
You message me for WhatsApp, okay?
Yes, man. I get disappointed in my too. If no one really help person una call una friend. Una end this life, real life, una call una friend. You hear me? Now what I get to tell una this. Okay, no one una friend. Wait. It's my friend. Wait. No. I tell you, but you see what your friend they portray as me online. They talk online. Why you not gonna tell me face to face before you post that your life? How you say when you portray me online? When they talk about no, like see, you there are more person to go to the. I'll come up for the laugh.
Hey, Talkative, what be you wear? I say we're here.
You know better for what you say. Okay, you know what you do that now. See, you know what you do that. Your dad, that was your blood. Do not come to your brother. Do not come to your brother before you enter life. I beg you. Do not come before you enter life. Do not come before you enter life. Do not come before you. Bro, you want to come before you enter life. Sister, do not tell me say how so this guy talk. Do you know how much you fit on Sunday? Allegation. Listen. Come. Do you know what you do? Say, I said no, bitch. Say, tell you, sir. Do you know what to me? Why you not coming? Why you not coming? Tell me, I can't you not talk anything about why you not coming? Tell me, I can't tell me, I can't listen to me. Who the fuck? I can't listen to me. Wait. You not talk anything about me. More you talk about me. Even you talk me, you talk my mom. But me now, I'm missing the take the proper measures to make sure the boy get all right. You know what they do correct about the boy now. You know where we dey right now. You carry like letter you know where we dey wanna come up now. Listen to me, young man. I beg you. Don't let me call you. Come and tell me say I said that give and he say tell you. And he say tell you say yeah I said that give and say let you know.
Okay, Talkative now. Me don't summons you now as the power invest in me. I summons you. I give you not less than 5 seconds. If you not call here, Larry.
May come up now. Yes, now so.
Talkative, who are you deaf? Talkative, now me grab you.
You not go come.
Okay, you know what me they put up on social media before. Many celebrity out there don't take him over.
You take him over. You get. Make the matter your quench like that.
Talkative.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning. Now. Talkative, come here.
Bros, good morning.
He say una friend. He not say our friend. He say una friend.
They are the family wipe out. Ere mobile abufwa. Mama no go on.
Mudia, that's what Mudia. Bros, na good morning. Ma, wanna give me 2 minutes, I beg.
Okay.
Okay, good morning.
He?
Okay, if you watch that your live,
agree to Mama.
That your live video that the way you do, I dey try request. You not bring me up. Okay, but that boy,
Many people
Okotor don already vindicate you. If you watch that Okotor video well,
yeah, I watch your that one. I watch your that one.
Talk and say, he said, wait, he said they don't. He said he make him. He said that person make him come make sure say he still tell her. He no know say that person they do am. He can't go tell her say Okotor sent that to me. Say he can't go. He can't defend the death. Say na God do am. Say he no know say na his friend not before Okotor they do am. If you watch that video when that boy vindicates you. He say no,
I know.
They do am.
I watch you.
Okotor, which I go beg you, Okotor, now you are.
No, Okotor.
Okay, now you are go beg, Okay, now you are go beg. Try enter this matter. If you enter this matter, now we go know the truth of this matter.
Mama, this other update. Message me for WhatsApp, ASAP, or any update. Like now, I mean, don't the first. I want to say this boy don't go mad. Tell Ryoko,
Anybody who get sharp mouth like this, they need to avoid them. They need to avoid them. If you not enter this matter, nobody go know the truth. You understand? Because that boy, so not they take eyes. That Okotor not they take eyes.
See, you can't one of us. You can't one of us will be together, self. If you maybe you drink alcohol, now inside our state you go sleep. You don't get that to take all those things. You don't get that to take all those things. So I know say all those things where they talk say they take eyes because I not believe one day. I know say na lie. You don't get that mind to take all those things.
You will say you they take measure when they take for his house. I never see you nobody does see around the boys it's all these days. Which measure you they take for his house? You dey Sokoto the boy dey Kaduna. Now they take measures from where you dey.
So life. Even myself, I wish up. So I hear you.
See, the way you Okotor talk now, you know, say I say everybody already know. Make people see come more for your body. Share the get.
No, I don't say make people not put wire for my body. Oh, everybody is a suspect.
Wait, I want you to tell you one thing. Wait, I don't wish anybody one day. If you still know any information where the boy did, may you still let us know.
No, I go here yesterday.
You see how for us?
I say I can't call person way no yes, then I can't follow that one go yes. As I reach I did there for more than 3 hours. I did not go. They not open. Now I can't find one of your brother because if that one of your brother, mama will direct. I can't follow and go down one mama burial. So I can't need to call that one.
I pay for the gift too.
I can't need to call that one. Say how far I be. I did your brother side the boy.
Okay. He give to
Abemo na hold on. Abemo na hold on. I agree the house. Una good morning.
I agree to man.
Mona wait na beg. Host, I agree to you. Thank you very much. Okagbe, my brother. Thank you for you to even come up to come and speak your mind. I beg. We all will go still beg you based on say we are one family, we are one brother. You understand me? Now the same Edo now we be. This thing will happen so we not take and say that personal issue or more can they accuse one another. Now to find solution for this our brother in problem. I believe say now all of us dey wait. I beg wait. More not the point finger because life too deep. Me and they tell people who never see now they talk. Who don't see you don't fit talk anything. This life too deep. I beg. If you get in sister or in relative number, I beg. Whether you go feel bring to this platform, host, I thank you very much. I really appreciate your effort. You understand me? So I will know where will they go and where will they come from. You understand me? So because when I see this boy day before yesterday,
Just like he did talk, say he go there yesterday. You for let her finish before you talk.
Wait, we know something. I did FYP since now.
No, that's not in the talk.
Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. Okagbe, talk to us. Thank you, my man.
Yeah. I go yes yesterday. The call person we know yes. Don't academic go yes. I reach yes. The neighbor say never come outside for services that day for yesterday. So that's okay, no because he said that for yesterday. All those the talkative they reach there. So whether they get some kind of heated argument when they get between themselves. So I not gonna know. So he can't enter. See that I never come outside. So I did that in 3 hours. He not agree with those. So I can't need to call that brother. One of us gotta go down with mama burial. So in the repair that one call, they reply that one message. So that one come call me back, say he tell am say he not theirs. Say he not theirs. Now I call him, okay fine, say theirs, okay, no wahala. Me dey yes in 3 hours, but he neighbor say this hours. So that me call tell that one say, okay, how una call dey waka for the matter? Una just leave this guy, only one head dey stay house. I not dey like that. So as me dey change out for that one, he in the year for his house. Now he come open window. Say whether why they make up for your house, why they call your brother, why they go ask. Say if you reach time for you to talk to anybody, they come and say I can't talk.
For next further for this.
Say we come and say I can't talk. Say why they dissociate, they invade the privacy like this. Say they invade the privacy. Even me and my guy we gotta go the place. Now I tell everybody, okay, may you come out, we'll just talk face to face. Say no one see anybody. Say more they go ask. Say they disturb the privacy. So that's why say more not let in hate us. So more they go. So like I said, since it's already, as far as he saying they okay, more the call that, cause he call that, since spend more than 30 minutes for downstairs, whether he go come down so that we feel see and talk. So I say no come down, my guy say more they go. It already happen because it already they reach evening time. Cause I go that place it's around 9 in the morning. I come out for that place around 3. Nothing come out for there. Before I come us yesterday so.
Abeg, one thing wey I go still beg you understand? When I no vex, abeg. One thing wey I go still beg you. You see as this matter don dey like this, make una let love lead. Thank you so much for the effort say you go yesterday. Thank you. But for me, I think when you no still give up because say you no wan see you dey get. At least time to time you go still go. Maybe one time God go still touch him leg. You go feel say he go talk to you. Not just say because he say you no wan see you yesterday, you come and abandon am. Abeg.
Thank you, my sister. Bros, abeg, come. You know, sorry, talk just now.
Okagbe, as you go there as yesterday, anybody with DNU, say may give her that location. Not give anybody that location.
No.
Thank you for that. What you talk? Not give anybody that location. Get where?
Thank you. Who say you know Tani? Okagbe.
Why issue now there now? Based on people want go see her now. The boy no want see there now because of that guy will go here as just now. Understand? The boy now in the fear like that guy for no your go just now.
Okagbe, you know, yeah, you go still help us.
If he be say they also.
Hey, they house.
If he be say they house, you tell all those people say anybody will call us offer. May tell them say I not their house.
Yes.
All this is what we did also. You know, say the way I work, but when we are going, Osama Allah or Muku and that can run.
But break that door.
Me go still beg you, Okagbe. Wait, more carry a relative along. If we really say one really to help this guy, you understand me? So, as far as say this Okagbe don't bring himself out to help as a brother, as a friend, as a colleague. Thank you very much. You understand me? So, please, waiting, I want beg you, more carry a relative along. So that we will know where we they go and where we they come from. You understand me? So, not take and say na problem or say na insult where they tell you say, maybe you know the call for a house or maybe you know the nose for a matter. Now see your friend, not take that one to be anything. I beg, me go still beg you, one of his sister or a brother we know say you get a number. Whether we go fit get her to relate with that one with you. So I no get to the root of this place. Now beginning with all of us day. Now beginning with for grow. You understand me? So let's say who know for Baba wait.
I don't come my talk. I don't say family don't dey involved for the matter. So
God bless you.
The sisters and the sister don't call your brother tell me it's okay, they say they do say they won't go meet her today. Stuff like that. That's okay, no problem. Like I for go that place, look I follow the go now because they are not too strong like that.
Baba, you will see a pause. Baba, wait, bros, wait, you will see a pause. You know why I told this thing? Who no road for a go? He no road for Bobaoha or he no road for Ecusa. Now beating there now of us for grow. You understand me? So person where they do this thing, or if now in hand he take us some more, God go still help us so that make it still revive am to life again. I beg. So I make we carry the people along. Now that will be my submission.
God bless you, sir.
No problem.
Ubugo, see, my time, my guy, This one with that boy, no one put door. So, see,
No, they don't see
the
billions. Yeah, me. Everything.
I recall person the okay, so he come outside.
Yeah.
I beg.
They're those people.
Your parents say no person,
they don't see how conversation. They
Nigeria.
don't see how Mona they
We thank
happy. They
God.
don't see how.
But they wait for
They don't see how Mona they happy. They don't see how they. He don't
Make
open door.
Okagba beg, we still need you for this case. If na spiritual or anywhere, we need to follow him up.
I swear.
Who press his hand, they return to sender. If na still his hand, God will still revive him. You understand me? So I'm more that's now because now make me tell you that Simon carry a relative along. So I'm more know the one way we dey.
While I not do everywhere good. Why always say?
Okagbe, not verse just now, not your verse. You know, not
No,
understand. Just way
While I not do,
not your verse. Very, very sorry.
He never even reach the time to point finger to anybody. He never even reach the time to point finger to anybody.
That is true.
Where that time go reach, we go know.
Yeah, not be like that. Solution, everybody dey fair.
Currency.
Understand?
Currency. First of all, they all see and so. As they all see and so, As they all see and so, tell that your people may they go buy our food. May they go buy our food, give her first.
Meanwhile, other of it come life. Other of it join me for life.
No, may they fair buy our food first.
No need.
Okay, but honestly speaking, melons, what happen so all of them are disappointed us. So that one and this thing, they make people where they depressed. They revive if you don't know.
Now because now because you know the settings and you don't really know what to play among us. See all those things where when we do that thing so where our ski table not reach 1 week all of us they come together. But as long as time they go, I think say small pikin enter and over entitlement see enter. So.
People who they fish as don't tell the coordinator or we dey happy. So I beg, one and six try more revive this guy.
Currency, may they ask her what I don't eat. May they buy food. Make it calm down. Shey they go, no understand. If they don't calm down, later I go cut talk.
You thought I want to talk soon, See, Okagbe never still talk. See. What now they see so it deep past what the reason now so.
I swear to God.
With the word they talk, Okagbe na person be say, I dey sense na person be say, he get sense, they talk with wisdom. But if you calculate with the way the guy they talking, bro, deep things they will be saying, he pass it through the see so.
Deep things they talk to women don't know about.
Bro, no, deep thing, the way you yourself know when you don't want to talk, bro.
I don't know anything.
Okay, leave that thing.
Now they tell you so. The one man know, now they tell you so. So CIB. So
God will expose everything. God will expose everything.
Because what I tell you say, what he talk today, if you answer tomorrow, now the same thing go talk. How what he talk is the same thing answer to next he talk. You not put one address, you not comment anything. So definitely they tell the truth. Now this
Okagbe, don't let anybody pressure you.
No. So.
Thank you.
Mama, so what come the way forward?
Now so.
I dey call
the way forward and to put on together with the family so that we move forward.
Mama, na me currency.
Thank God say they don't see her.
This life, stress.
If you reach Benin, more boys, more girls, all corner. I don't know what they happen. I don't know why our government no want do something.
Padomo, Mabowe.
I book him, my brother. All corner near me, my brother.
Why agree? In case maybe talking general language. In case if the thing is verse, I'm not verse so.
Not the verse proof for you.
Okay. Because this time I'm talking, that Okagbe now, I don't hear the story from when daughter they come to the talk, I know they follow the talk they come. You understand? So
No, see this life, so normal me or that way agbona doing. You know, some kind of times you can even tell your lawyer, say this thing you do, your lawyer will go to court, he will defend you. You understand? So just because this guy come, I know he has done his best. So I'm not trying to oppose him in any way. Just because he comes out now to say his own part does not mean he's 100% free. You understand? All those people they be carcass. That guy will
Yes,
never come out.
yes,
Nobody
all
knows.
of them are see suspect, yeah.
Yeah, nobody. So Mona no,
Victims, they win that guy
Baba
never talk.
suspects.
no, Mona no
No,
vex.
no,
Mona
for
no vex.
side down.
Mola,
No,
let the
for
man
side down.
talk
We know.
finish
Yeah,
now.
I
Mola,
understand.
let
What
the
make me
man
come up?
talk finish.
What make me come up now be saying if una observe something when this Ross current you say they don't hear from another that guy say want go make call. If like una not they take note. So if una they talk something and they judge person, it just because you want judge shit not the worry, you know me say you see the already judge. I get your money one buoyancy. So it's a one where you calculate you the talk before you start to the judge. Just because that guy come out, I not say he get and do but when I carry paper and pen, when I know just jump into concluding matter, begin to point fingers, they say now only Tinubu na spoil Nigeria, not the only Tinubu they rule Nigeria. So that guy, so he not doing best, but when I never start to the blame or start to the take part say na him be better person. They not the do things like that. That's my talk.
Baba, you do well. Nobody don't point finger for you before me even enter up. When I even enter up, if you even listen.
See,
Baba,
which
bros,
this guy
wait.
just talk so he
No,
make wait.
wait.
Immediately currency
We
talk
know.
say they don't see him, they don't dey talk to her. Okagbe say want go make call. Bro, which kind call you want go make? See, I don't
Baba,
why worry sha.
Baba, wait.
Mo fe cash
Mujani, where you
flog not be lie.
where did we conclude today, Yoni? Welcome. Sister Job here. You don't physically conclude like that. You understand me so?
Okay, well, what am I not making
conclude.
any calls? You know that me well, na I wa me na make a call.
Yeah, it's Iguan.
Hello, bros. Wala we na mi na gwen na donate no deliver ai wala won wi ma ri ba be dere yen me mi ropa. Wala.
Hello, we yeah, it's Iguan.
Mujani, Sister Job, we're going.
Ah, why go? A family ọ̀rẹ́ wo yìí. A family ọ̀rẹ́ àtàwọn ìlọsùn náà yà máa hẹ̀. Ẹ̀mẹ̀jẹ̀, ẹ̀mẹ̀ra, ẹ̀mẹ̀ broda, ẹ̀mẹ̀ sista. Ah, okay. But ọbẹ̀ mọ̀ tiẹ̀ náà, ọ̀tẹ̀ náà ti gbìn náà nẹ́.
My time is seeing, I would have more along. Una to talk.
Again, Nigeria, ó ti na bí èmi ní àná. Eti aga kwigore ọrịa ihe arị n'enigo epobi arị ihe ti mudiane. Why is it like that? Otu onye beta wenye mai no sunu na oke ekeni ya bejo ni ebejo ọmọ kekere ri ona o pagbo ya gba ọmọ keke ma no ma nyo tie ihe gi mu gbugba wa no ya ti wa abandon is that fair?
Sister, thank you very much. Agbona or Dimingbe. Let me tell you, when so we don't help my when you don't help my okay, we come you dekun. Agbona Dimingbe, my dear sister. Usaba gwe you know amu de kun. I mean, me or my grandma will carry them along.
He say I be wait, Epa Mudiao. He say I be brother. Okay, come up now, go talk.
If you don't abandon your brother when people they fight, you will be brother, you just take corner. You know good.
I beg you, Mona say.
When I see that boy day first, I feel bad.
Alpha word.
I did, yeah, bros. I did, bro.
They as the best thing as they don't see more use the thank God like more use the happy now so you be. There now, now only one if you tell us what happen. You understand? All this way they talk, go this side, talk, go this side, talk, go this side. If it don't calm down, that's now, then they go ask a question. Then no worry, you'll see her. You go hear everything. Share the get. You go hear everything. So Mona, you wait. Later, he go maybe if he talk, he go talk everything will happen.
But let me tell you, if I talk say it still talk everything, you know, say some people go they don't still believe her. We need to go deep in spiritual way or any way to see the end of this issue. You understand me? So some people not go still believe her based on
they
say
they go believe
they will not see. Okay, well, no worry. Now online with it.
I beg una good afternoon.
Una good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
How una dey?
I greet
No
you,
vex.
brother.
I beg I dey work. I wan make I add join wetin I dey talk so. I wan tell una one thing. Me I be elderly person. I don watch the boy video when the boy come out come talk wetin happen, how the thing take happen. If the boy dey tell una today say all those things wey dey do ever since say he no get money, say he no get food for house, una go know say na smoke. Make una no vex o. All this one wey dey happen so we dey pray make bad person no teach us bad thing. Once you don enter smoke na problem. Na the same thing when e wan happen to Timaya na e dey happen to this boy, so nobody dey worry that boy. Na the smoke na e dey worry am. If he stop am now the boy go dey
Oga, they
okay.
go,
Na
you see,
make
if
am no
elderly
dey
person, what you they talk. Bros, I bet when I carry this guy come down, he say, what elderly person they talk. What if you smoke? No man, people were house that you know,
Mele tona se o,
I bet
ma
when I
tona
drop
se
this
da.
guy, beg.
Nye kasi mi a.
No, I tell you, when I leave this monkey, say, na elderly person will not get
Person wey no fit dey smoke. You know your way friend talk just now say if you ever drink you go sleep. Talk dey say yeah no fit carry wetin you dey smoke. Wetin dey talk say dey smoke.
I bet more when I look on the car, they come up. What I say, the elderly person will not get sense. So, me no understand this
Yes, I
kind.
wan reply this joy abeg. She dey talk something just now. I wan reply am because I dey here yesterday night. CEO, you remember me? I dey here yesterday night. The sister climbed up. The sister talk am say he blocked them for like 2 to 3 years. Let's just say 2 years plus. But before he block them, he don first dey like dey give complaint small before all these things reach like this. 2 to 3 years, this guy was okay. You dey get? This guy was okay and he use the mouth take talk am say he no dey smoke before. See the reason why he no dey smoke. See as dem take put am for everything. All these things we talk am yesterday, sister climb up. This guy just avoid them, like e just be like who dey turn him head against the family before they come do am wetin dem do am so. You dey get me? So na just that one make me climb up. As make I talk about that family part. He cut off from everybody. Him himself talk am for the video say he cut off from his family. So wetin dem do, like wetin dem program. You don't understand. They just get turn her against his family first so that he no see help from his family. But God so faithful. He can't bring himself on social media. Social media people now carry am serious. Family sef don fit carry am serious. So more just give glory to God. At least matter don see the open small. What people wey dey say na eyes. CEO wey dey say eyes yesterday. No say I say yesterday say this thing na beyond eyes. You dey get me so? Even if drugs dey small, but I'm telling you that there are spiritual things that we don't know. You dey get me? That guy, see am, person be say how I want to put am, person wey be say no dey okay, when get mental illness or maybe na this one dey take, e no go dey give details like that. This guy give details. He talk about his family. He talk about himself. You dey get me so? Who no dey okay go talk here, he go jump here. You can never understand. You know fit speak everything when they talk. It really say no dey okay. So those people when they climb up, they say he dey on highs, he dey on drugs, he dey on this one. Then Mohbad do when Mohbad dey cry that time, everybody they say this guy na so this one na so he dey eyes, na so he dey this one, na so he dey this one. So I just feel say wetin dey talk, he dey very correct, and his family na. Thank God say they don carry am serious because he don give them small space for them to see carry the matter up. This thing na spiritual matter, more carry am serious. Na spiritual issue no be this one because he talk about destiny swap. First go carry you say okay, make you gather go do something. I want you to do for myself. You think na protection you wan go do, you no want to go swap your destiny. E dey happen. A lot of things dey happen.
Pretty na hard to wetin you talk so even he ever talk and reach like that say time go come this thing go ever reach palace. Person wey dey take drugs, when they say they take drugs, you go see time they do all those details video.
I go rewatch those things again.
For me that drug more than remove that one. When I first
He no dey take any drugs. He no dey take drugs.
I say more than remove that one. I say more than remove that one. I make party brother and say no me no me ya go on. Life no be more than remove drug. This one no be drug.
These people program. One thing I notice about their program, if the rest people they do, if the rest people they act, if they reach the time when you say they drive, if you drive, even if you not get attention, you don't want to put attention for the speed. Once you just drive,
everything will change. It guess what?
Attention to watch. They see group of people, they go just be 10, they go just be 6, they go just be 7, but one fit dey wey be say you no start different, you no start dey shine. You dey get me so? Lot of people, you fit dey in the midst of witches, you no go know. They see evil friends. They see people in business, they go check themselves every day. They'll come and say, come, you for shine, no, but now this one, they go shine past you. Now this one, the same way supposed to happen to you, now this one go carry on. You know that kind of thing. Anything can happen. You know what can happen for life, eh?
You see, everything when Presta talk.
Now, truth you talk.
Even when Okagbe do video 2 days ago, now the same thing Harmony still talk. Harmony not talk anything different from what Presta talk. Harmony say everything when Presta talk now true. Because Harmony now be Presta bestie when they did the same house. You understand? So if that guy there on drugs as this mumu will come up on talk just now, how Harmony and the guy who they talk the same means Harmony too there on drugs.
Oh God.
You understand? Harmony say everything when that guy they pass through. He said not true. He said now this Okotor so is down with their currency back. Now they say Presta anything when they do. Even when they start this ass kit. Now this guy tell us to make it act as say he take him. Not Harmony talk to that live video 2 days ago. You understand? So Harmony dead there with the Harmony not say they take the thing now. You understand? Just I believe say Harmony not they
after
fear.
not tell her may take the eyes because he use her against her for the street.
You understand?
He not tell you may not they take this drug. He not tell you.
The thing is that people when be say they will come out come talk truth now. Many of them they fear because of this weekend.
Yes.
When you get it, not
this one not be the type of person they fear. This one not be the type of person they fear.
Everybody get family members. Nobody.
My brother, as well as all of us don't enter. No need to fear because this one a media.
Not be like
no need to fear, but you stand for person. Yeah, Mario, they find for net. You take them to stand for this life. I will not need to fear. This like two people, Baba. You die only some other person died.
We know. I understand you. Let me talk. Say when they carry their family member along.
Nobody for no even me to say maybe say your I not call they say for some time. This say maybe you see get one of two.
Me to say in travel.
They sick.
Me to say in travel.
Wow. You say if this guy
make you go to the shop now, you know how they talk again. Of course, I will do.
Maybe they follow the
Man, we now.
He called the
what did they have me?
Comments like
yes, they off comment section based on say the comment where they will make. They offer.
What did they have me?
Yeah, you off the comment section. They offer.
Mona know they talk like.
What did they have me?
I dey hear you, bros. I
say I dey walk, but normally I feel because I like the bone. I make me.
Now make person dey talk.
Say the girls.
Everybody like that boy. Now because of now we they wash that skit. Now because of an army they wash her. All those who they can't do.
You know they take anything. You know they smoke. They see people like that when they say they're not.
Host, may you give us updates now? We want with phone you know we are this.
Good news.
Thank God.
We are getting there.
Thank God though.
So
I'm gonna mute. Have you seen your sister?
But the right sources now, they don't go kind of more for that house, so they don't change the location for the now. So the guy don't they eat now. So everything is under control. I don't they eat now, they okay now. So make you all get itself just a little bit, then go call this my platform, cut talk as well also.
Which people you can deal with? Your family member, being friends.
I really appreciate every effort you all put for this thing. God will bless you. Because not everybody way you go doing like this, the way you also take upon yourself, say, this thing, it must stay away, God will bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, for the Okotor by itself.
I dey come, not be juju, I dey come. Currency, they hear me. That location where they can so may nobody give anybody that location.
No.
That evidence not there. They don't come out, they don't do that again.
What me want to tell you, not be friends go deal with. Make your family members, make them deal with them. So I move know where would they go.
No, you get why I use the guy is setting friend when I use and person when me see call. You understand? He know the person too well. I still friend, the close friend. Not be this one way do I like version so. So this one now, he don't just say
Who ever see this boy go know say this boy he too mad now he ever get
this
this
one.
one.
They not see this one. Maladia. He not come out.
My lady, wala gogo, na jezota, na leji,
Aye, point on one.
wala
Why got point
gogo,
on
why
one?
gaje bota, na tebo negbe. Wagimame wono no na make na me mata noro wala wabe teme niga. Any je ezo ni na awa tebo ema.
He go come, Koko talk. He go come. Now may you get himself small. So maybe not evening time or tomorrow. I don't know, but I know say God bless. He will come up Koko talk because he
Hope say you and the guy don't talk. He talk to
Of
you.
course, it's now. Yes.
Okay, fine. Now what people want you here with that one? He don't do okay.
He
He
dey
don't do
because he dey wash us, but he never get that strength to take come up now. So he's sending moment for now. May get himself, he go come talk your side of the story. Talk everything.
Thank God, man. Thank God for your life. Ah, God.
We
love him. No want me anything.
We will still follow him up. This thing and spiritual will not be on other hand. We'll still follow him up. That's the gospel truth.
If you come Nigeria or
He said they back on it.
but you come Nigeria.
Even though they back on it, money na me dey take wakara.
Wait. Baba, they pay me as I day here. Believe it, now 2 weeks ago, now I come back. 2 weeks ago, I spent 2 months for Nigeria. The thing they pay me as I day here. You understand me so?
So, wow. About Jimmy?
Jimmy, my brother.
This one now we know.
Wait, give my name wicked word. I don't know what I don't see for this life.
Nah, what do?
Asoma bonya, avave bonya.
What do? Now this one they go know say. What do? Now this one go make they know say. Friend not the social media.
Friends not there now, Baba. Friends not there.
In anywhere, friends not there.
Even family they betray family.
They betray person, talk like say friend.
Me not they trust family. I must want they trust friends. I'm not the family.
So this is the enemy that I'm telling you, 99% of people go tell you say na I kill am.
Now what did they talk now? He had the moon on knee. He had one your work be. Or else we are very only.
Oh, bro, stop taking eyes. Bro, stop taking eyes.
Like I really appreciate.
If now never saw, I thought loga ke do
Mama Adikon, I really appreciate everybody who still on, like who still on for your caring. Who do you the host? Now you will go who take part.
Now man you be.
Because why? Now you take your time. You take your time. Like make this boy dey okay. God will bless you. God will reward you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Anything where they put your hand, he will favor you in Jesus' name.
He said,
all of us may still dey here.
Because this the way they do so. Not be everybody go carry and come do.
Bros, I beg. Give update. It's not 6 o'clock. It's not tomorrow morning. I don't want to miss any part.
No, let's
me too. I don't want to miss any part. So
no,
I don't want to miss any part. Everybody too love her. We too love her.
No, check my story. Anytime I take on life about the matter when we don't hear find out okay, the boy I can't talk about my story before I come live. And all right the time.
I just did my guy.
We there for here where I ever write for Instagram. I ever say a word of encouragement for Instagram safe. I just still like just tell her say anything where you see the pass through me, just take things easy. Nothing with God,
motivational speaker.
I like that encouragement.
Have encouragement. I got the
oh God.
What the jealousy go fit do? Jealousy. Even jealousy na like this they don't worry.
One come up, na fit drop me. Like executive. Don't show me like that too. Don't drop me. Yes, person one come.
In your money here, that was not too bad.
Busy boy, you busy boy.
Who be easy boy?
Okay, that's easy boy, don't have.
Only Morocco no left here, no left my Italy there though.
Agbondimi o. Sawesi. Saba no intervene. Tornado no intervene. Kesi na o.
Email. Isao.
I know when people call
I don't
this
change the location,
that guy is
not
lonely.
the
My mama
that
say
place.
they love friends.
Don't okay, don't they eat. But we never see get 100% sure say as he eat now he go we never know, but at least we see the hope. But the picture when I see now, I really dey impressed. He's improving. Like he don dey get himself.
Show us the picture now.
No, I no fit show now.
What do you want to do the picture? I been na
I just tired. Oh, he argue. I will not show us the picture.
Na everything dey show online. Man dey get reserve, you don't know. Man dey get reserve. But the guy lean, I swear, but
Elena.
Day before yesterday when I see a surprise.
Where I see the video, where I see video, I go look the video where I get before. I say, what technology they make this boy come they lean like this? I don't understand. God, I don't know say they don't want for night. Oh yeah, man. What's I saying?
My people.
God,
I still want a suggestion. Since this guy dey lean now, where again now? Why we not just donate money for making the buy food, buy things they eat?
This who be this one? They think say na money be the matter now.
If you read the time we donate for, I will see donate.
I just tired.
Never reach that stage. They never ask. If they ask, maybe in friend or the boy.
People went there, bro. They like donation. Any small thing, make they donate for Anna. Oh, come here.
The busy boy say we don't get also they suffer. Busy boy say we more dey Europe they suffer. But now we dey donate for people.
We don't dey suffer. Oh, we dey Europe not dey suffer.
But now we dey donate for Nigerian people.
Now we dey donate.
You say we dey suffer. Say yesterday now say about donate 30 euro. 30 who get 10 euro dey suffer? Huh?
No.
10 euro. You know how much be for naira? Yeah.
I did the answer.
No, no, they play.
We greet you, bros.
Man, people wey dey Europe especially Benin sef, if I be like Okotor we pass for people wey dey Europe dey support the people wey dey Nigeria and Yahoo boy finish work dey. What they do for Benin?
Who say Yahoo boys come out here? You know be abroad.
You know why Akate don't dey exist? You know why Akate don't dey supply money dey go area? You know when? Up till today.
Yeah, they don't empty now, bro.
They line up for area. Then even me, I dey line up that time. I'll check by 50 euro. I'll see they line. Aboki will see cut and give me. I'll see some guide. Now I call it to Akate and I say Akate na galeve question. So na life now.
I give the answer. I guess more to one I like for the.
Yeah, you talk to us. Carry on.
If Pana you the host, maybe they calm down, not be juju. Where we are calming down. Wait, you want to do host?
What they do? Where see what they do?
But for me, it's me observe for everything. Even the one.
Bros, we don't hear you talk. Come out.
What's not the update?
This week, when I drop this week,
if anything like that.
What do you want to say? These boys, when they say me, they investigate all your friends. They will be like, say, you deal with them and all those things. So, me, for my own suggestion, I would say, how do they investigate the friends? They were clear, they possibly look for solution. How do they treat the boy or in a spiritual place, they want to carry and go. They say spiritual side is, as in it's spiritual something. Even though this book will talk truth, you must find solution for the boy to be okay. So, if my network.
You're not talking now.
Okay, I say if the boy, those boys' friends, how they investigate them, even though they come as contact something, they will not, they're not going to talk the truth. Say, now me cause this, not me cause this thing. So I for say, the time after they investigate all those people, so therefore the first solution for this boy, say, okay, what we will do for this boy, as another will take help this particular boy. If na spiritual place they want carry and go, if na hospital they want carry and go, they go dey treat am, they carry they go that particular place where they go and they investigate their friends. So you no go feel weird when they investigate all those friends before the come with find solution.
Bros, may I tell you small story? Shey you see that ant hill so Eh?
Yeah.
If that auntie come outside for your ass, if you like you scatter am 20 years, it go still come up again. But you need to go dig and go kill the queen mother when they down first. So we need to first know where the problem for the come before you find the solution, bro. You understand? We need to know where the problem from the come before we go fit dey find solution.
Yeah, I
Because
understand.
anything you dey do now, you think if you not see some people now don get problem, they'll spend all their money, but the problem no go solve. Why? Because they don't know the root of the problem. So we first find the root first.
I understand. You know, say they hard for thief to agree, say I thief. Yes, I thief. And I make I see the break this already and say, okay, this boy, so before those people go, I don't, yes, they will ask everybody question, everybody will come talk, but they foresee, I mean, everybody foresee they look for solution, where they need to carry this boy go at the moment, this, So if they want to bring all those things, they say, they're not going to wait for those friends to come. If all those friends come talk, at the end of the day, they say, I not do anything, you don't go kill them, please. Then at the end, you go see find solution. So first of all, start to define the solution now, as they investigate the friends. I don't know whether you understand. Then if they do all find those solutions, definitely they know say anything wey person dey do na money. Okay, who say he really love am? Go ask they'll say, okay, bring what you go fit donate this thing, bring what you go fit bring. Then they go even they go any place where they want go. If the family say na pass for place, they want carry am go, they'll carry am go pass for place. If they say na normal place, they want carry am go, they'll carry am go. Then when they see reach there, they go better place. They go see they will bring wetin dey cause this boy problem. Say, okay, see what they bring this boy problem, all those things. Then they go find solution. But even though the boy doesn't get okay, they'll see investigate all those friends. Say, see you, okay, now this person talk, now what do you get to talk to? Because the boy dey like this now. Why investigate all those friends? If they reach even 1 month, they never talk to you, they never know the root of the matter.
That one dey sharp, but I will find on your one. I go learn no one. I really me bros. Right when they chop you, if they follow you, they find waiting loss. You know if you see the thing now. You understand? More fair investigate everybody when they are around down first. More know where the thing for the con. They will know we want tackle.
Nowadays.
You're surprised. Say, you know you dey find solution now. Who they tire, who they lose and they lose now. This thing not go lose now. We just dey middle.
Attack, so I been a smoke, something like that.
Okay, this thing na spiritual matter now, Baba. Na spiritual matter now.
I make a live like that.
See, senior man, you see that drug this one at the talk, now shady something, I be that one, so you understand? So because drug, when they was in a drug, now shopping money, na drug this one, I would never sick. Now the reason say sickness, not the eat money, or maybe you get if you have to say Panadol of 20 naira or kill them, all this kind of thing. Maybe they remove all those things for me, say na drug, not that biotic, nothing like drug, nothing like drug. The more now they pour all those things for waiting nourish anything. That thing when they do that, but now spiritual something. And one other thing again, the issue now when we say some people don't come talk down. I see I don't feel that one. Any of his friend now, just because person come say.
You dey ask I tell no say na spiritual. You know they see the video where the boy they make.
I don't know. Who be your moderator? When I drop this monet, I mean I'm waiting.
I'm tell no say na spiritual, bros. May I tell you something? It's something that happened to my own family, my own senior brother. Be say he get money well. Maybe if I mention a name now, 1 or 2 person go know her for this place. He get money where he don't die now. Waiting kill that guy. Na spiritual. So if they treat, they reduce. They put blood for body, they come out. So all those things, bros, life they very deep. So also when they say drug, may they remove drug matter. So the second one I want to contribute again. All those the friends when this one I don't hear from, even I not see they say anything. Even the one if you go remove and who say now say you go control. Bros, who they keep person sometimes you step in and they even go they help you defend solution. Understand?
Yeah.
God bless you. Now if I talk say make it relative thing.
Everyone a suspect.
Bro, you know why you reach time be say because they go remove one and that person they close to our pass, or because a family they find another they close to our pass. You know person go run from family or run from friends. Just because you wear should not be said if person we did near now they use the same side. The person wear that go size them. So more never just say now this one I did right. As now the judge go outside, also say that Okunbo and I be the bad person.
No, nobody judge go outside. Bro, point of correction, nobody judge go outside. Nobody judge go outside though.
I know it's I talk about, boss. I know it's make me.
Person like me, I say me they don't point finger. Me they don't point finger.
Muna never point finger to anybody because even if una point finger, that means at the end of the day, una fit come even surprise be say person una dey judge against na go come even dey right. So to God be the glory now. The boy don dey at least maybe very soon I go by self talk with am. Even himself,
why
the spiritual
can't
matter,
you
he no
do
even know
video?
how it happen. You understand?
Why can't
But
you
he himself, the boy wey be say not even happen to now. If he no even know wetin happen to am, if he no know, life guy it is. If you dey suspect say person wey dey suspect dey different, if you carry person face come take hunt you, you think that person na dey worry you and no be the person. So
No be lie.
just make God help everybody. You understand? Make God help everybody. Just because we just dey say this guy because he never come and come talk na be the evil. No. They not dey carry evil dey give person like that. Make God just help everybody. If everything fit happen, say at the end the boy dey okay. God, when he say you feel like say do underground water, if you not even know wetin dey worry am.
I swear to God, I did disappointed on our two. I just dey tell una guy. I did disappointed on our two. Mostly you and money. I don't message you for WhatsApp. I don't know what happened to your WhatsApp. I don't know. I don't message you for WhatsApp.
You message me for WhatsApp, okay?
Yes, man. I did disappointed on our two. If no one really
Because say Harmony dey talk truth, then make Okunbo dey attack Harmony for this
Why
video.
you talk? You say if na what really help person when you call una friend, you not say our friend though. Why you call the minus for body now?
Yes, he say una friend. He not put himself journal.
Eh, you listen. I do it to address the friend. Eh?
I don't laugh on her. I don't laugh on her. I swear to God, I did disappointed on her too. I just dey tell una guy. I did disappointed on her too. Mostly you and money. I don't message you for WhatsApp. I don't know what happened to WhatsApp. I don't know. I don't message you for WhatsApp.
You message me for WhatsApp, okay?
Yes, man. I did disappointed on her too. If no one really help person una call una friend, una end this life and come real life, una call una friend. You hear me? Now which I get to tell una this. Okay, no one help una friend. But you don't see what wait. It's my friend. Talkative, wait.
You have to not be your friend.
But you don't see what your friend they portray as me online. They talk online. Why you don't come tell me face to face before you post that kind of thing online? How you say when people face me online? When they talk about what? No, like you see, you there are more person supposed to be. I'll come up for the laugh. Because your guy, you're gonna two dead close. Wait, I follow. Gonna two dead close. Leave your guy. You don't get that for what I'm saying. You know what to do that now. See, you know what to do that. Your guy, never your brother. Do not come to your brother. Do not come to your before you enter life. I beg you. Do not come before you enter life. Do not come before you enter life. Do not come this morning. Bro, you want to say you never see that come before you enter life. Sister, do not tell me say I'm persuaded this guy.
They quarrel. I never get beer. I never grow. One of the quarrel.
Come. You know what the video was just let's say I send out that. Say tell you sir. You know what to me? Why you not come in? Why you not come in? Tell me say I can't talk. You not talk anything about me. Why you not come in? Tell me. Tell me say I listen to me. They talk. Who the fuck? I listen to me. Wait. You not talk anything about
me now. I'm on a fight.
Even insult my mom. But me now, I'm missing the take the proper measures to make sure the boy get all right. You know what they do correctly about the boy now. You know where we get that now. You carry like letter. Listen to me, young man. I beg you. Let me call that shit. When they tell me say I sent that giver, and they say tell you, say yeah, I sent that giver. Say let you know. You know, if you tell me say you never see all those videos, is there. Okay.
Why not the quarrel?
Last 2 weeks, that you see. You know why you don't tell me? If that's not show me the video, say see what this guy talk.
See, currency, you see that day when they do this argument, when they do this live videos, I did from the beginning to the end. You dey get. Yeah. See, everything when Okagbefe come outside the talk, now Harmony take come up. Harmony don dey explain everything, how the thing take start from the genesis before Okotor your run enter the matter. Then they bring this argument. So you understand? Now that fear, now Harmony take drop.
Because you know what made they see the truth.
You understand? Now Harmony take come out. Yeah. Then Okotor can't come out. He can't come back again. You understand? If Okotor never deny say, I say Okotor, Okunbo are not deny say Okotor not tell and say that guy say now dead. Meaning say everything when that guy talk, now clear how that guy take talk everything for that video. You understand? Because everything when our guy Presca talk, so now Harmony talk, and Okotor not deny say Presca not tell and say Okagbefe say now dead. You really say truth dey everything wey Presca talk, nothing be drugs for them. You dey get? Now we never see, now they say don't see. If spiritual face you before you sell your property, you don't even know. 3 seconds.
You are right, oh. I'm very right.
Don't worry, truth will come outside. I will know who be the problem, will know inside. Now, not only that money, what that money don't go deactivate your account. I don't search that girl. Name I not go see him again.
You don't see her?
I don't see
You know,
him again.
I send a request. I say request. I see her just now. Wait.
Because that girl fit come up, but for see no small doubt they go on. Because me, I did that live that day.
You know, say for me, I say
talk. The girl confirm.
I say that girl, I say that girl the fear, shall for me.
The girl the fear now, bro. The girl the fear.
The fear.
Bros, thank you very much for everything we they do. God will bless you, first of all. And people when they come up, they talk about eyes. Then eyes this guy take. If not eyes this guy take, the enemy go the run mad. Because it happened to me. My own cousin brother take the same eyes for the same beneath there. Now run the run mad. You understand?
When they say take eyes, they confirm word. If friends they confirm and say the word now
eyes this guy take. If not eyes it take, if not run that street.
What is it? What?
Spiritual attack. Now be all these things. And bros, I go beg you. Since you say they don't change the location. More than not let this guy know where they carry that boy go.
No, never.
This very guy, so I beg.
Never.
Ladies, all of them, they are crew for now.
Now they get contact with.
But all their crew for now. Many of them don't know where they.
They say who want bite something, who want bite person for nyash, you know the reason say shit down. We just pray. Make God just protect this guy. Because now jealousy me, I see where they happen for these things. So now jealousy. They don't want me person better pass them. Because this guy reaction for that video don't show everybody say he not clean, he not clean. Because you don't want me to find out the truth about what they happen to this guy. And he not pass God. Only he know if he pass God. And he know if he pass everybody we love this guy, we stand by this guy. They must find out what they sup. And that person will go down for it. God will bless now. Even this family where they see they talk, family where they talk. So no, I no vessel. There's who has no key. Outside no fit put hand.
Some family see the day. Now so there's some family they lose God.
Because since now where they talk all these things now the family supposed bring this thing out for people to join them. Fight this case.
Now what did they vex? Now we say this boy not come out by himself now. Now so they all live out like that. You go all day SARS die like that. No help for anywhere.
Not before, bro. See, not before. Not that they don't person here against the family. The guy talking now, not before, bro. He said this Okubo as well. He said he making hate all your family. Not the guy talk on the video now. He said making hate all your family. You understand? So to me, you know, whenever you're judge now, and only God know what really transpire for there. Only God.
It's why I just pray may God just set this guy free. I just in prayer. God will bless everybody when he come outside. Spend the time for this guy case. Una no go spoil. God will bless everybody.
Who go spoil one go take care, take carry am.
Amen. Amen.
The Maria go my brother.
Na two option no.
For me, as we do the investigations, I for prefer may they see the first solution for that boy. That boy will take the okay because
now record what you tell me starting now play the record. You understand? Tell us the next step. Not be so we look and say don't they eat it, don't do okay. No, may they carry go to the hospital or then list. May they find solution. May they know what to be the cause. Because first I prefer if I can go hospital first. May they go to check the mental status, whether the boy be okay, whether na drugs or anything. So na spiritual thing, does let us know.
Currency. How could they reach this Presca grandmother? Because the guy say a grandmother na native doctor. How could they reach a grandmother? A grandmother fit see help for the issue.
Yeah.
Because if it be say the woman now never know wetin dey
They don't
happen,
want
if
to
it
make
say she
all
not dey
that part
social
come
media
online.
stuff.
You understand? They go do what you talk so. You understand? That mom see, that one day with 100. But
because when me everybody talk because as this issue don dey happen anybody will be like say you ever be
wait
for
till the
inside it.
hospital first because
Yes, anybody.
hospital come tell you say na spiritual thing so so you need to go first check
Yeah,
out
because
first.
as the find solution na go dey more better because anybody wey give like say get answer inside this issue so as you don dey hear say they don dey look for solution he too sef go dey as he go dey do your person go best to dey bring.
You go see the waka na, yes, na him go dey try, they dey lose.
So dey bring confusion who say before you know go use confusion they no go find who go take off that ball take that ball go anywhere. God forbid maybe something go happen or say they go forget that particular issue. So as that person already knows that they look for solution, we still need to dey carry the